Good morning and welcome to the Wichita State University Weekly Briefing. My name is Tracy Priest and I am Director of Communication for Research and Tech Transfer. These weekly briefings are being held in an effort to keep the campus and the public informed on changes and news from Wichita State. Following the update today and today's featured topic, there will be a time for questions. First, I want to remind you that this weekend is a very special weekend at Wichita State and is part of our ongoing effort to make campus a destination for the community. WSU's Open House Weekend happens this Friday through Sunday, and the community and media are encouraged to attend tomorrow night's Sip and See event at Brayburn Square. There will be music, food, games, guided tours, sailboats on the lake, and much more. The new Shocker store location at Brayburn Square will have a ribbon cutting and soft opening on Friday from noon to 4 p.m. and 6 to 8 p.m., and a grand opening on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. For a schedule of open house events, visit wichita.edu/openhouse. WSU's Family Weekend also takes place on Friday and Saturday and is our way of welcoming family and friends of current students to campus and informing them about resources for their student success. A schedule of Family Weekend events is available at wichita.edu/familyweekend. Hotel discussions are back on track, and we hope there will be an announcement and construction start by the end of 2018. The hotel will be located near 19th and Oliver. We'd like to thank Dillon's for its recent donation of $2,500 to the Shocker Support Locker. Their generous support is vital to the Locker's mission of eliminating food insecurity on campus. To learn how you can join Dillon's and other community partners in supporting the Shocker Locker, visit wichita.edu/shockerfoodlocker. Wichita State continues to draw on diverse organizations and individuals in order to fill its mission and create the best possible future for the university and the broader Wichita community. To that end, the Wichita State Innovation Alliance is pleased to announce the appointment of new board members, including Rick Muma, WSU Provost, Pierre Harder, Spirit Aerosystems Director of Research and Development, and Barham Yildirim, WSU Professor of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering. Our hope is this will increase the amount of communication and collaboration between WSIA and the campus community and Wichita community. Looking ahead to next week's briefing, the featured speaker will be Wichita State alumnus and professional placemaker Ty Tabing, who has spent his career activating public spaces, including places in Chicago and Singapore. Currently, Tabing is working with others across the university to make Wichita State a place to linger, meet, talk, and create, using student and faculty talent such as art and music to draw visitors. You can read about Tabing, his vision for campus, in a Q&A on the WSU News website at wichita.edu/news. And now it's my pleasure to introduce Catherine Helms, Outreach Specialist for GoCreate, a Coke collaborative.
Thank you, Tracy. Good morning. I am Catherine Helms, the Outreach Specialist of GoCreate at a Coke collaborative. GoCreate is for hobbyists, tinkers, entrepreneurs, and those creating prototypes. Organizations also use GoCreate to expand their capabilities. GoCreate is located on Wichita State University Innovation Campus and is located in the Experiential Engineering Building on 17th Street. It is open to the community and is a membership-based program with membership assistance available. The assistance program is a 6-month membership paid by way of Koch Industries and the Fred and Mary Koch Foundation. This makes it possible for the young and old and those underprivileged to gain access to have ability to create. GoCreate is Wichita's premier makerspace where members have access to an 18,000 square foot facility and over $2 million in machinery that is continuously growing. Most of the machines are commercial grade, and without GoCreate, majority of the population would not have access to the machinery. GoCreate offers corporate memberships, and through the corporate membership program, Coach Allen and his team from 22 ARW XPX Innovation Lab on McConnell Air Force Base has been able to utilize to innovate equipment and tools for McConnell Air Force Base. At this time, I'll turn you over to Coach Allen, who will describe how him and his team utilize GoCreate.
Good morning. I'm Coach Allen. I work in the 22 Air Refueling Wing. I'm the team chief of innovations. And as mentioned, we do have a corporate membership with GoCreate. And since joining, we've worked on a couple of really big projects, one of them being our Radio Go Box. It's a product that we produce for basically 27% of what you might find in industry, but saturated with way more features. And our most recent project was our wing defrosting system, and that's not something that's ever been done before. So we were able to leverage the talent and the help that the GoCreate staff provides to kind of guide us through the process of sheet metal bending and manufacturing. Saving a lot of airman man hours and just sort of making a team with GoCreate and the community. So with that being said, I'll turn it back over to Catherine Helms. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Coach. Earlier, Tracy mentioned WSU's open house and family weekends. As part of the events happening on campus, GoCreate will be hosting Final Friday, which will be tomorrow from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We will be showcasing members and mentors' work, which will range from custom cutting boards, unique laser cut earrings, creative Baja race merchandise, and other materials that have been created for Baja race teams, and custom industrial wood furniture. As always, the community is welcome to tour GoCreate and is invited to Final Friday. And this is a free event that anyone can join. I am open for questions, if there are any. At this time, I'll hand it over to Tracy.
Thank you, Catherine, and thank you, Coach, for updating us on GoCreate and the projects that are going on there. It's always cool to see the stuff that's coming out of GoCreate. It's always something different. At this time, I'll take any questions on today's updates or anything else going on at Wichita State. Okay. If there are no other questions, we'll close it out today. As always, we want to remind you that all of the projects and initiatives at Wichita State are driven by our vision and mission. Our vision to be internationally recognized as the model for applied learning and research, and our mission to be an essential educational, cultural, and economic driver for Kansas and the greater public good. We'll see you all back next week for the briefing on Thursday, October 4th. Thank you.